Jack, the next thing I want you to learn from my mistakes is it doesn't work if you don't use it. And here's the thing why that's important. Throughout business, you may be investing in tools, products, systems, you may have big ideas. It can be a very exciting industry. And trust me, you know your dad. He loves every new gadget and thing out there. And when we were younger, we used to just buy it and hope it added value, hope the team liked it. Guess what? That doesn't work. You have to really be methodical, think through, prioritize the things you buy, implement, or invest in your business. And the bottom line is, it doesn't work if you don't use it. If you just buy a new piece of equipment and it sits on the shelf, oh, don't even get me started if you didn't even figure out where it belongs. Think about the pieces. How are you gonna keep track of the pieces? How are you gonna train the team? Do you have to adjust workflows? Do you have to get them proficient and comfortable? Do you have to get buy-in into its value? Absolutely, or it'll be rejected as quickly as you bought it. You can lose a lot of money by buying things that you don't fully think through and that you don't fully implement. It won't work if you don't use it.